Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to follow traffic safety rules. Can you consider why traffic light has 3 colors? It consists of red, yellow, and green. Red lets you stop all the vehicles. Yellow lets you be ready. And green lets you get going. On either side of traffic, there must be an electronic timer, lets you count it down in seconds. Countdown timer against red light lets you wait to get started. When the timer is completed, the vehicles will start moving. Similar to green light, once the timer is completed, the vehicles will soon stop. On the perpendicular side of the road, you must notice pedestrian traffic has an opposite command of vehicle traffic. If the vehicle traffic is green, then the pedestrian traffic light has to show red indicating character, "Do not people left cross the road." Once the vehicle traffic is red, then the pedestrian traffic light has to be indicated green walking character, allows people to cross the road while the vehicles are not moving. Here are the instruction of do's and don'ts. In do's, every passenger must always wear seat belts. We must follow the speed limits mentioned on the signboards on the roadside. Give pedestrians the right of way in crosswalks. We should make room for other vehicles, bicycle, motorcycles, cars, etc. In don't, never drive a car having intoxicated drinks. Never overspeed and overtake against another vehicle. Never talk on your cell phone while driving. Never engage in other activities. Never leave valuables in your car. So be sure not to violate traffic laws. We wish you good luck. Like, comment, and subscribe now.